Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we bring you the most detailed and engaging motorcycle reviews. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S, a machine that represents a bold step forward for Harley, while keeping the raw, rebellious attitude that made the Sportster name legendary. This is not just an update, it's a full-fledged reinvention of what a modern Sportster should be. If you love aggressive styling, high-performance engines, and cutting-edge technology, then this is a bike you need to know about. We're going to explore every detail, from its powerful Revolution Max engine to its advanced electronics, aggressive stance, and overall ride quality. Harley-Davidson has been pushing the boundaries of its lineup in recent years, moving beyond the air-cooled, old-school formulas that defined the brand for decades. The Sportster S is one of the best examples of this shift. While it retains the spirit of the Sportster name, it's an entirely different beast under the surface. It's built for riders who want a blend of Harley's heritage and modern-day performance, all packed into a sleek, muscular frame. Whether you're a longtime Harley fan or new to the brand, the 2025 Sportster S demands attention. The heart of the Sportster S is the Revolution Max 1250T engine, a 1252-seat liquid-cooled V-twin that redefines what a Sportster can do. This powerplant is based on the same engine found in the Pan America adventure bike, but is tuned differently to suit the aggressive street character of the Sportster S. It delivers an impressive 121 horsepower and 94 lb-ft torque, making it one of the most powerful Sportsters ever built. The liquid cooling allows for more precise thermal management, ensuring the engine runs efficiently and maintains consistent power delivery under all riding conditions. Unlike the classic air-cooled V-twins that defined past Sportsters, the Revolution Max uses dual overhead cams and variable valve timing, giving it a broad power band and smooth, predictable throttle response. This means you get strong low-end torque for city riding and a rush of power in the higher rev range for highway pulls. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open road, the engine delivers instant acceleration with a deep, throaty exhaust note that reminds you this is still a Harley at heart. Handling is a key part of what makes the Sportster S so special. Harley has designed the chassis to be lightweight and responsive, with the engine serving as a stressed member of the frame. This reduces overall weight while increasing rigidity, resulting in sharper handling and improved rider feedback. With a wet weight of just around 502 pounds, the Sportster S feels significantly lighter than traditional Harleys, making it easier to maneuver through tight turns and city traffic. The suspension setup includes 43mm inverted Showa forks up front and a piggyback monoshock in the rear, both fully adjustable. This gives riders the flexibility to tune the bike to their preferred riding style, whether they want a softer setup for comfort or a firmer setup for aggressive cornering. The inverted fork also improves front-end stability, allowing for more precise handling when pushing the bike through twisty roads. The braking system consists of a single Brembo radial-mounted monoblock caliper gripping a 320mm disc in the front, along with a 260mm disc in the rear. While some riders may wish for dual front discs, the setup provides solid braking performance, and with ABS as standard, you get extra safety in emergency stops. The Sportster S also comes with cornering-enhanced ABS and traction control, giving you additional confidence when leaning into curves. When it comes to styling, the 2025 Sportster S is unmistakably bold. It takes design inspiration from Harley's flat-track racing heritage while incorporating modern elements that make it look fresh and aggressive. The high-mounted exhaust pipes, chunky tires, and muscular stance give it a distinctive look that sets it apart from other performance cruisers. The LED lighting system adds a sleek, futuristic touch, with the signature Daymaker headlamp providing excellent visibility in all conditions. The bike features a 4-inch round TFT display, which serves as the control center for all the bike's digital functions. From here, riders can access navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and different ride modes, including sport, road, and rain. There's also a customizable mode that lets you fine-tune the bike's throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings to match your personal preferences. This level of technology is a major step up from the bare-bones Sportsters of the past, making the 2025 model one of the most advanced Harley-Davidsons available. The seat is a solo unit, reinforcing the bike's aggressive, stripped-down look. However, for those who want to ride with a passenger, Harley offers an optional pillion seat and passenger pegs. The forward controls and drag-style handlebar create an aggressive riding position that enhances the bike's muscular character, though some taller riders may find the ergonomics a bit tight for long-distance rides. Fuel capacity sits at 3.1 gallons, which is on the smaller side, but it keeps the bike's weight low and contributes to its compact design. The overall dimensions and riding stance give it a commanding presence on the road, ensuring that wherever you go, the Sportster S turns heads. Harley offers the Sportster S in a range of striking colors, including vivid black, white sand pearl, and a new lava red metallic, which adds an extra level of visual drama to the bike's aggressive styling. Riders can also take advantage of Harley's extensive catalog of accessories, allowing for further customization with different handlebars, seats, and even luggage options. Pricing for the 2025 Sportster S starts at around $16,999, positioning it against competitors like the Indian FTREF 1200 and the Ducati Diavel. While it may be on the pricier side, what you're getting is a unique blend of American muscle, high-performance engineering, and modern technology that makes it one of the most exciting bikes in Harley's lineup. This bike is perfect for riders who want something that breaks the mold. It's not a laid-back cruiser, nor is it a sport bike. It's a hybrid of both, offering an aggressive, thrilling ride that's packed with personality. If you're looking for a Harley that stands out from the crowd while still delivering the brand's signature power and character, the Sportster S should definitely be on your radar. Ultimately, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster S is a statement bike. It's a bold, modern take on a classic nameplate, built for riders who want performance, style, and cutting-edge tech in one package. Whether you're a longtime Harley fan or someone looking for a high-performance cruiser that dares to be different, this bike delivers in every aspect. This bike is perfect for riders who want something that breaks the mold. It's not a laid-back cruiser, nor is it a sport bike. It's a hybrid of both, offering an aggressive, thrilling ride that's packed with personality. If you're looking for a Harley that stands out from the crowd while still delivering the brand's signature power and character, the Sportster S should definitely be on your radar. But now, we want to hear from you. Does the new Sportster S live up to its legendary name? Or do you prefer the old-school, air-cooled Sportsters of the past? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Bike Culture Hub. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.